Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Desert Disc Planning, and in today's video, we are going to set up a week in my planner. So I'm really glad that you guys are here. If you've never been here before, I'm super glad that you found my channel, and I hope you stick around and you like what you see. If you have been here before, I really thank you for all of your help and well, that doesn't go there, does that? I really appreciate you sticking around and being here with me, and I hope that I keep you motivated and inspired. So, what are we doing? We are reusing old layouts. We are using our stash. And by doing that, I have pulled a couple of planners or sections from old planners. This one's Colorful Leopard back in 2021, 2022. If I'm correct, I might be wrong. So we are going to have to redate this bad boy. It is for April, but we are doing the month of June. I don't know why I grabbed an April layout. I try to keep it the same month, but that's not. So we are going to be using the Colorful Leopard. Now, over on Instagram, I am participating in a stash challenge, and that is HP Stash Challenge, created and held by Creatively Lisa Marie. She gives me or gives us a book that we could possibly use for that week. If I have that book, then that's the book that I try to use for the week. The difference in what I'm doing here and what I'm doing over on Instagram is on Instagram, I post on the week. So week 2 is Colorful Leopard. So on week 2, which is the 10th through the 16th, I will post a picture every day of each section of my home section in my planner. So it'll be the monthly, week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. So that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I will post those, and then I'll do reels on them. And so everything on week 2 is going to be about Colorful Leopard. Whereas over here on YouTube, you'll get the setup with me's on the weeks that they are actually representing. So that's really the only difference. When you see week 1, it'll be week 1 in June. When you see week 2, it'll be week 2 in June. So, but you already know what it looks like over on Instagram. Okay, so I tried to cover that up. All right, so my plan is to only use this sticker book. So this is another way of doing things that if you are limited on your sticker books, don't be discouraged. There's ways to take one sticker book and cover an entire month. So that's also what I'm doing here. So we're just going to, what I do is I just pick a sheet. And you can do whatever, but see how all these have like gold on them, so it all matches. And then I'm just going to lay them out. Okay. So we're going to cover the weekend like that. And then we're just going to put this over top like that. This section of my planner is all about keeping the house clean, keeping the chores done. That's the main agenda is to make sure that I'm just going to put this way up here. So it kind of covers. Well, it does cover, but and then I'll put this one down here. Find a way, not an excuse. And this is actually a vacation week for me. So I kind of won't be home. So to say, to take care of what needs to get taken care of. But it's not like I'm traveling to a hotel. I'm going to my mom's house. So one sticker sheet down. So with that, I can definitely utilize being with her in things that help her at her home. That might be a way of doing it. And then I have this that has gold on it. So these two match. So I'm going to go ahead and put that over here. I should have put it. I'll put it down here. And then we have a today. And then I'll put this one like over here. It says today, so I don't know. Maybe I should switch these two. Let's do that. Find joy in today. And then escape the ordinary, which is great because the ordinary is being at home and I'm on vacation. All right, so then we have like a today sticker. And then we have just some regular task stickers, priority stickers. We drive home this day, so I don't want to put two blacks on one side. So I'm just going to throw this one right here over the top. So I can put my priorities right here. And then we're going to use these to-dos. Let me get my tweezers because my hand wants to lay them down crooked. So see, another sticker sheet down. All right. It's not a weekend vacation. Let's throw in some coffee. I'm going to save the to-dos and todays for something else. Oh, I don't have any birthdays this month. So are we using we're using a little bit of big and a little bit of small. So I don't want to use any of that. We have enough words on here. So let's just use, I'm going to pull this out, but we're going to use just a little bit. And this is because, there's still some bald spots. Now we'll be using my own stickers for my task, which is on my Etsy shop from Desert Disc Planning. I'm just not going to set them up right now because this is just a setup, but I have my cleaning task for the house, my stickers. So those are what I will use as all my to-dos. So there's that. Let's get some dates on here. So we are looking at the 3rd. I'm not going to make these straight because if I do, we'll be here all day. All right. So this is from Happy Memory Keeping, Dates and Holidays. That's what this is from, if you're interested in knowing that. So I'll be using this throughout the month as my redates. And here we go. I don't think I have anything else. Because if they had little dots, I'd put little dots. You know what? I have little black dots. I don't know if I have them close. Wonder if any of that would work. Put the dots on the side. I don't know. It's an afterthought. Okay. So here we have it. I'll be using this again. Using this little sticker book right here, but that's the point. Use what you got. All right. All right, so I have used up 2 sticker sheets. Awesome. All right, so here it is. Let's get it back in the planner. In the home section and the weekly. So we'll put this one here. And then turn my tab. So here is my meal planning. I don't think I'm really going to decorate my meal planning because, and I like that it's like half and half. So like I can have my meal plan here, I could put it here, and as I need groceries, I could put the list here, and then the notes and snacks and things. So I will take that out real quick so you guys can see what I have. So here is the layout. It is the June 3rd through the 9th using the colorful leopard. Again, if you would like to see how this is all going about with the HP Stash Challenge, you can go over on Instagram, check me out at desert.disc.planning, or you can also check out at Creatively Lisa Murray. I'll actually have her tagged down and below. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to set up week 2 with you. And until next time, later.